Good morning, friends, again. And today I have brought you some cries of birds, animals, and insects. Means, how do they speak like us? Uh, their sound. But before this, I want to request you please subscribe my channel and like this and share this so that I may bring you so many good things. And the first one is here. Now we start. Dogs and foxes. Their sound is bark. Cows and bulls, they bellow. Sheep, goat, calf, lambs, they bleat. The sound of these all three, sheep, goat, calf, lambs, theirs bleat. Donkey and ass bray. Bees, flies, wasps, buzz. The buzzing sound, buzzing like this. That is buzzing sound. The bees, flies, wasps do like this. Sheep, lamb. Sheep you saw ba ba ba. You have listened. Ba ba, black sheep. You have heard this also. Hunting dogs and hounds bay. Waves, guns, boom boom boom. Waves, waves in the water was a boom. Waves in the air also boom. This is the sound of waves and guns. Geese and hen. Geese. What is the singular of geese? Goose. Goose, geese, and hen. Cackle. The sound of these are cackle. Crow, rook, raven. Raven is a kind of crow. These are all crow. So that is their sound is ka, ka, ka. Monkeys chatter. They chatter like human being. Chatter. Sparrow chirp. Chirping sound of sparrow. Have you heard this? Bird chirp. Bird also chirp. Grasshopper chirp. So these all the three, sparrow, bird, or grasshopper chirp. Hens cluck, cluck, cluck. Doe, pigeon coo. The sound of doe and pigeon coo, coo. Frogs croak. The very rough sound of frogs is called as croak. Cocks crow. Babies mob, rook cry. They cry like human being. Babies mob also cry. Mob, the crowd of people. Aircraft, bees drone. The sound of aircraft is drone, droning or hovering in the sky, droning. Bees also drone like this. People talking inarticulately, gabble. Monkeys, apes, frightened person, gibber, gibbers. Along with the reaction, gibber. Dogs, bear, and thunder, growl. Okay, thank you.